Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle using a compass. A compass is a fundamental tool for geometry, allowing you to draw perfectly round shapes with ease. Understanding its simple mechanics is the first step. We will cover everything from setting up your compass correctly to drawing a smooth, consistent circle. Get ready to master this essential drawing skill in just a few easy steps. Before you begin drawing, proper setup is crucial for a great result. First, ensure your pencil is sharp and securely fitted into the compass. Next, place the compass point and pencil tip on a ruler to set your desired radius, perhaps 2 or 3 inches. Make sure both tips are level. This careful preparation ensures your circle will be accurate and well-defined. Now for the exciting part, drawing your circle. Firmly place the compass's pointed leg at the exact center where you want your circle. Holding the compass by its top, gently rotate it in a smooth, continuous motion. Apply light, consistent pressure to the pencil as you complete a full 360-degree turn. Avoid pressing too hard, which can shift the center point. Achieving a perfect circle takes a little practice, but these tips will help. Always use a very sharp pencil for crisp, clean lines. Hold the compass only by its top knob to prevent accidentally changing the radius during rotation. If your paper tends to slip, try placing it on a non-slip mat. With a steady hand and these pointers, you will be drawing flawless circles in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.